there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears.
My name is John Mungai with Flowers, and I would just like to give a tip of what love is. And what I would like to say is that love is about caring for the one you love. Just don't say you love somebody and you don't show it in action. For example, this is a very wonderful day. You can come and get flowers for your loved one. And also making up. You can make up, like when you have a problem, you have a misunderstanding with somebody you love, this is the right time to come and get a package of flowers and a hamper of gifts for Valentine's Day and make your love grow strong. And that is just a tip of what love is.